This video will calculate a correlation coefficient for a simple negative relationship. All right, example 2. A study was conducted to determine if there is a relationship between the number of hours of television children between the ages of 6 and 12 watched per day and their grade point averages. The data are shown. All right, so in this case, we chose hours of TV as our independent variable and GPA as our dependent variable. Now, I graphed that using, again, the XY scatter plot feature in Excel. And if we look at this graph, from left to right, it gets lower. So we'll see the difference between this and what we had seen in example 1. All right, to make the calculation, we have the same basic idea. We list each of our data points. First column is our independent variable, our x's, so hours of TV. And our dependent variable, in this case GPA, we list those. So we keep those pairs together. Center column, column 1 times column 2, x times y. Fourth column is x squared, so first column times itself. Final column, y squared, column 2 times itself. After we've done that for all rows, we add up each column. So again, the formula R equals, for n we substitute in the number of pairs. In this case we had 8 students we were looking at. Sigma xy is the total from the bottom of column 3. Sigma x, bottom from column 1. Sigma y, bottom of column 2. Denominator, n, again plug in the 8s. Sigma x squared with the square inside, bottom of column 4. Sigma x squared with the square outside, bottom of column 1, squared. Same thing with the y's. Sigma y squared, bottom of column 5. Sigma y, then squared, bottom of column 2. Do your multiplications in the numerator and in the sections of the denominator. Do your subtraction in the numerator and inside the brackets in the denominator. Do your multiplication in the denominator, square root, and in this case we end up with an R of negative 0.862. Alright, so in this case we ended up with a negative correlation. In example 1 we had seen a positive correlation and our graph went up from left to right. Here we have a negative correlation and our graph goes down from left to right.